Are you tired of your hosting or website feeling limited? Want to add external features like forms, maps, or custom widgets? Unlock your site's full potential by easily embedding any code you need. We'll walk you through the simple steps in the hosting or website builder. You'll learn exactly where to find the embed option and how to paste your code for instant results. It's much easier than you might think. All right, let's dive right in. The very first thing we need to do is get into your hosting or website builder. This is your digital workshop, where all the creative magic happens. From your hosting or dashboard, locate the specific website you want to edit. You'll see an option there, usually a button that says something like Edit Website or Manage Website. Go ahead and click that to launch your builder. This might take a moment to load everything up, so just be patient as your site editor comes online. Once it's ready, you'll see your website laid out in front of you, ready for changes. Now that we're inside the builder, it's time to find our tools. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. We're looking for the icon that lets you add new elements to your page. It's usually a small circular icon, often blue or white, with a clear plus sign in the middle. This Add Element icon is your gateway to placing all sorts of content onto your site. Just click on that plus symbol to reveal the next set of options. Once you click that little plus icon, a menu will pop open, showing you a whole library of elements you can add. Think of this as opening your toolbox, full of all the different components available to build your site. You'll see categories for text, images, buttons, and much more. From this expanded menu, simply click on the option that says Add Elements. This action further refines our choices, getting us closer to our goal. With the Elements menu open, we need to find the specific tool designed for bringing in external content. Scroll down through the list of elements. There are quite a few of them. Keep an eye out for an option labeled Embed. It often has a distinct icon, maybe a little set of angle brackets or some code symbols, making it easy to spot. This is the element that allows you to integrate anything from an interactive map to a custom sign-up form. Once you locate Embed, go ahead and select it. After you select the Embed element, a new section or small pop-up box will appear directly on your page. This is where you tell the hosting or builder how you want to embed your content. You'll usually see a couple of choices here, but for custom code, we want the most direct approach. So click on the option that says Enter Code. This prepares the system for you to paste in the exact code snippet you have. All right. This is the really important part, the core action if you will. You'll now see a blank text area appear right on your page, ready for your input. This is where you'll paste the actual embed code you've copied from whatever external service you're using. Whether it's for an event registration form, a dynamic map to your business, a social media feed, or a cool video playlist, you'll copy it directly from that third-party service and just drop it right into this box. Now, here's where all those clear, direct steps we're taking really pay off. This method is tested and proven for hosting or users, and it gives you ultimate control over integrating external content. A common pitfall is accidentally missing a character or adding an extra space, so just give it a quick once-over after you paste it to make sure it looks complete. Once your code is carefully pasted into that text area, you're almost done. After you've confirmed the code is correct, you'll see an Embed Code button, sometimes labeled Apply or Save, within that same editing box. Go ahead and click that. This tells the hosting or builder to process that code. You might see the embedded content render immediately on your page, or perhaps a placeholder depending on what you've embedded. Remember, for this to go live on your actual website for everyone to see, you'll need to hit that Publish button in the hosting or builder, usually found in the top right corner, after you're done with all your edits. And there you have it. From being limited to hostinger's standard elements, you can now confidently add any embeddable content, transforming your website into a more dynamic and interactive experience. You've just unlocked a whole new level of functionality for your site. Great job!